In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add calendar to Notion. If you want a simple way to organize deadlines, content plans, events, or project milestones inside Notion, adding a calendar view is a great option. The good news is that it only takes a few moments, and once you know where to look, it's very easy to do again anytime you need it. To get started, go to your Notion page. This should be the page where you want the calendar to appear. You can add it to an existing workspace page, a project page, or even a planning page if you want to keep all your dates in one place. Before moving on, make sure your cursor is active in the area where you want to insert the calendar, because Notion will place the new view right where your cursor is. Next, hit the / on your keyboard. This opens Notion's command menu, which is one of the fastest ways to insert almost anything into a page. If you use Notion often, this / command can save a lot of time, especially when you already know the type of block or database view you want to add. Once that menu appears, click into the Type to Search field. In many cases, your cursor may already be there automatically, but if it isn't, just click in the field so you can start typing. This search box helps you quickly filter the available options instead of scrolling through a long list manually. Now type in calendar view. As you type, Notion will narrow down the results and show matching options. This makes it easier to find the exact layout you want. Calendar view is especially useful when you need to visualize items by date instead of looking at them in a table or list format. When you see the option, click on Calendar View. Notion will then insert the calendar into your page. From there, you can begin using it to manage dated entries and plan your work visually. If you're building out a workflow, this can be a helpful way to track upcoming tasks and see everything laid out by day or month. And that's it. That's how to add a calendar to Notion. Once you've done it once, the process becomes very quick. Open your page, use the / command, search for calendar view, and insert it. It's a simple feature, but it can make your Notion setup much more organized and easier to use.